Hello, 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 hello. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Stock Trades. How's everybody doing today? All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, today we're going to be talking about a lot of things. There's a lot to talk about. We have a podcast to do in terms of like Andrew Toy's podcast. We got to talk about, just life. We got to talk about the stock. We got to talk about just a lot of talk abouts. Okay. Right. So, uh, I think this is hilarious. Um, so Ethan says Oracle of Arizona in the house. Let's go. So it's very funny because I'm a big I'm a big Warren Buffett fan. Obviously, I like follow everything. He says. He's my savior. He's our savior, right? So for folks that don't know what this comment means, you know, there's a saying. It's called the Oracle of Omaha. Obviously, like Warren Buffett lives in you know uh what you call it. You type in Oracle of Omaha, and then you see Warren Buffett, and you type in the meaning of Oracle of Omaha. It just Buffett is he is called the Oracle of Omaha because the investment community very closely follows his investment picks and comments on the market, and he lives and works in Omaha. So not not the best explanation, I would say. Let's open up the stock terminal GPT because I'm honestly curious. That it sounds kind of superficial, doesn't it? You know what I mean? Stock terminal. What does this mean? Oracle of Omaha. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, just making wise investment decisions. Buffett is known for his value philosophy, grounded by the principles of Benjamin Graham, which is what we teach. Intelligent investor and security analysis. Obviously, if you go to the mastering course, that's what we do. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's literally what it means. He sees things. That's what the Oracle does. He sees things. So I find that very funny. I really like that. I'm no Oracle. I'm just, I'm a guy just like you, and you can be that guy too, right? Or I guess if you, in your words, you can be an Oracle as well, right? In fact, this is no longer Al Stock Trades. This is Oracle Stock Trades, right? You can be an Oracle as well, right? So yeah, this is a good topic here. So I was talking to this guy again. I'm reading the comments real quick, to say what's going on with you guys. Oh shoot, someone just commented on here. Is Al the Oracle of Arizona? I make a laugh. This is funny. Oh yeah, check this out. Check this out, guys. This is my favorite. Watch. Ready. It's called a super reaction. Boom. You know what that is? And it's the Al Stock Trades logo. That's so cool, isn't it? Yeah. I don't know. I'm a nerd. Okay. Sorry. So Ethan said something really important here, and it has to do with I talked to this guy at work about stocks. When I told him about Clove, he immediately laughed and said, I'll lose all my money. It's a trash company, right? Trash, right? That is how I know we're still early into this. Yeah, unfortunately, a lot of people are going to be talking about Clover, and they're just going to have that image. It's unfortunate because when you first meet someone, there's like this 30 seconds where people form an impression on you. And it's the impression of Clover, unfortunately, is like tainted in it. And that's when you can take advantage of the market dynamics. And ultimately, uh, this stock is going to explode, and those people are going to, pretty much eat their own crap, right? There's a lot of folks that are, sadly, like I told you, I was talking to this guy, in Kentucky, and he was saying, "Oh yeah, Clover, if it goes up another 50 cents, I'm going to sell." Um, and it's just short-minded thinking. It's just what it is. It's just short-minded thinking. Again, it's just poor money, right? There's no long-term effect. So yeah, Rafiki, what's going on? Let's effing go. Hit the like button. Yeah, hit the like button. Yo, Rafiki, I want to know where the gold at. Yeah, speaking of gold, there's this like nurse that was in the hospital. It was just like, do you know what hyperinflation is? Bitcoin is going to be like literally he told me you should sell all your stocks and invest in Bitcoin because the United States is going to crash. It's going to crash and burn. And I'm like looking at him. I'm like, bro, you're in Kentucky. You're in the United States. Where in this world of a philosophy do you, with your thesis, do you come out of this not getting hurt if the United States crashes? Anywho, common sense is not so common. Positive news, but the stock is going down. Suspect as hell. You know that comedian, suspicious as he says suspicious. If you guys know, you know what's going on. Hello, Andy. I can't get enough of Al lately. I can't get enough of all you guys. Audrey says Clove and Al are the sleigh. Or slay. I love you, starter books. Who's Audrey? Yeah, who is Audrey? Right? Popcorn yellow striped smile. Popcorn yellow striped smile. I wish I can see it, but I can imagine it. Would Benjamin Graham say that we are enterprise investors who are investing in clubs too early? I don't know. I mean, there's like active and passive, investors. Damn, I gotta watch. I gotta answer all these emails. Holy shoot! Sorry, guys, if I haven't. I just literally came back from work, so I'm sorry. So what I wanted to do today, because a lot has happened, right? I want to talk about these things, but before we get into that, I just want to kind of send you this message in your head. I was just talking about this with my significant other, and it's just, it's you guys already know this. It's not like this is like news to you, but um, you know, this world is corrupt as hell, right? It's a corrupt world we live in. If it wasn't corrupt, then like, then why do we have poor people? Like, why do we have people that uh, are struggling? Um, how is it that some guy in my med school a couple years ago made a comment. It was like, how did the House of Representatives they they make $250,000, but they're multimillionaires? Well, we know the answer. It's because of insider trading. They're able to essentially trade off of information. And you guys follow Nancy. She does really well, sometimes better than Warren Buffett. It's unfortunate because they all know the stock market, and they all would rather feed their own pockets than yours. A lot of cartoons and drawings have been made of this, but it's really true. Your politicians, maybe some of them care, but a lot of them, unfortunately, and people in New York, on Wall Street, people that live in just really wealthy areas that don't really experience the struggles that you experience, that if you were to basically talk about your struggles, they would look at you like you're an alien. They don't care, right? Now, why am I talking about this? Well, because it's central to our mission, right? It's central to the whole Al Stock Trades mission. We've created a lot of millionaires, and every time this company goes up, we've created more millionaires. It's just, I need you to think about this for a second. And I think this comment really says it. What are you smoking today? You sound well rested and on the mood. I can't believe I listen to a homeless man almost every day. Holy Maloney. And then this is a bunch of birds. I was in the parking lot earlier today and I see this. In Chinese, if you see this, it means you're surrounded by a good group of people. So I like that. I'm gonna put a little smiley face here. This is hilarious. The this comment's really funny because, why is it someone who was formerly homeless teaching you this, right? There's something wrong with our society. When someone like myself, obviously it logically makes sense because it's obviously changed my life. So obvious, it should add even more proof that this works. But you have to kind of ask yourself, have we failed as a society when someone has to literally kill themselves to create a platform in order to help people make money on Wall Street? Does it show you how corrupt this is? Now, again, you can go ahead. A lot of people used to doubt me and say, you're just smoking crack. I think I think you smoke crack, right? It's like, I obviously don't smoke crack, but just like like an American saying for our international folks, because some of you guys really think this is what what we say is what we mean here in the United States. But do you like ask yourself a question here? Okay, why is someone like myself have to kill myself in order to teach you how to become um a multimillionaire? Now again, you could go ahead and say, "Oh, Al, you're full of it." But you've seen Jim Cramer's little, and we've seen many Jim Cramers. You remember the manipulation one? We've shown that video multiple times. We'll probably do another one, but uh uh but um you listen to Jim Cramer yesterday, and he says, "Oh, it's a good company, but Medicare Advantage, Humana is rising cost, and Clover's it's doing well, but I don't want to hurt anybody." You know, he's talking about the incumbents. He doesn't want to hurt the incumbents. It's like kind of like basically like I told you, Blockbuster versus Netflix, BlackBerry versus Apple, Ubers versus taxis. Mm. So it's you can tell that these people on Wall Street, they don't care about you. Your politicians that are wealthy, they don't care about you. The uh, there's a um, the people that learn this thing called value investing, they don't want to show you this, okay? Because they want to keep this a secret, okay? Um, it's a shame because it shows you they don't care, right? People are realizing, yeah, we are surrounded by a good group of people. We are, okay? We are. We are creating a family here, okay? And it's not just some, poor ass family. Our family's worth 55.3 million freaking dollars, okay? Or 51.3 million or what. It's over 50 freaking million dollars. That's how much our family is worth, okay? We ain't no dumb family here, okay? We're a pretty wealthy family, all right? Um and it's just it, it's sad though that you know value people own $50 million worth of Clover Health Group worth $1 billion in 10 years. Literally. In a nutshell, this guy pretty much summarizes it up. Homeless guy, intrinsic value, teaches group of people, own $50 million worth of Clover. In 10 freaking years, it'll be worth $1 billion. If Obama actually wanted to teach this, he could have, within one video, get more views than the whole channel of Al Stock Trades combined. He could easily teach people this. Easily. He knows this. This is not like rocket science, guys, right? You just have to know it. Um, and it's a shame that people don't. It's a shame people don't, because it's nepotism. They want to be rich. They want you in your service jobs. They want you to service. They want you to flip your burgers. They want you to come early in the morning, put on your apron. They want you to do these things. Okay, well, I'm telling you, you have the power to be the freaking investor. Okay, you can be an oracle as well. And it just really pisses me off how this world is. It pisses me off. But guess what? We're doing something about it. Yes, in 10 years, we will be worth $1 billion. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that insane to think about? If this doesn't reiterate the power of the intrinsic value. I don't know what will. And again, we can't help everybody. Even Noah said the storm is coming, and in the biblical verse, the storm is coming. People didn't listen and they were washed away, but the ones that did were able to survive. Okay. And I'm not trying to talk in all righteousness like I'm building some ark, arc trades or whatever it is, right? I'm just showing you a pathway that has given me, just a lift off out of poverty. Okay. And then somebody says the Church of Albert stock trades, like, don't make this a culty. He's like, it's already a cult. Wait, hold on. Al, yeah. This is funny. Al will be dating our wives in 5 years, and some people are gonna cut. Okay, what the hell's going on in this chat? What, you guys reading this? Oh God, sorry, I just had a hiccup. What in the world is this? Can't lose what you don't have. Nothing. I got hiccups, guys. I'm sorry. So the point that I'm trying to do right now is I'm going through the chat because you guys have to understand that the chat has some really good information that I learned from. So yeah, CVS to replace CEO Lynch here. So that's good. I mean, it looks like the stock price is down. Have you walked into CVS lately? Walgreens are much worse. The business model needs to be revamped. Okay, we're talking about that. There's an article about that. Okay, you see how oh, hello. You see how informative this is? This is very informative, guys. Holy moly. You guys have some good kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. We have some really good commentary. It looks like other healthcare companies missed due to medical determinants. Wow. Yeah, so what's going on here, guys? You guys know more than me right now. Yeah, it looks like it's going down. Let's see. Holy freaking shit, dude. Look at this dude from down 23%. Whoa. Okay. Well, that's something. Let's see. I'm just going there's a lot of things that happen right now. I'm just trying to figure out, what's going on here. So we got going up here. Just trying to figure out what's going on. Talking about calls. Oh, this is funny. This was on StockTwits. Warning from an excellent trader who's up 227% the entire cloves. Yeah, it's 600 PA. He's like, he's like, the fundamentals are bad. Man, do you even know? Spell fundamentals correctly. Come on, get out of here, dude. You can't even spell. You don't even know what intrinsic value is. Again, the market's filled with very confident people that don't know they're wrong. So that's just really great for opportunity. You know what I mean? So that's just great. Just going through the motions here, trying to figure out. There's so much to talk about. You got, yeah. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, this is averaging up. If you just stopped at 1 or 2 or 3, I could not own more than 4. I will take some more. You're up almost $250,000. Actually, no, you are up more than $250,000. So nice. That's 569%. Good job. Boom, boom, boom. I was a pig. I made that with 4K. Good. You got your lifetime badge, no? Hope so. You got it? Yeah, you got it. You're gold. Um, good. See, we have so many share collectives here. We are our own hedge fund, right? No, exactly. Yeah, we just have our own group of people that we just like to. Brings me joy on Friday to be part of a homeless hedgy life. You guys crack me up. Oh God. I mean, it really shows you how messed up this world is. The fact that I had to kill myself to learn this information and I'm the one teaching it. Freaking Obama should teach you. I always go to Obama because he always inspired me when he talks. He's a good talker. It's just sad because it's like where are you guys? Where are you guys? Fine. If Obama doesn't know he can hire an economist and stand next to him, do whatever it takes to freaking get people to listen. Just sucks, dude. You know what I mean? But it's fine. We're doing it. We're doing it. So you gotta trade it up, don't you know? Trade. Oh, this is a new song now. That's it. We're gonna have to hire somebody to sing this song. That's it. This is it right here. I'm gonna go ahead. See if I can pin this here or something. Because I can't pin anymore. It's like there's like a limit. Oh, maybe I can't actually. Hold on. No, you see the pin is broken. I can only pin a certain amount. I can't pin anymore. I overpinned. Just a matter of time. Yeah, you see, we're about to cross the market cap of Alignment Healthcare. We're about, again, I wasn't paying attention to this, right? Again, because this group is. So let's click on this, Mr. Tori here, see what he says. I'm gonna go ahead and read this real quick. He posted this today, so I need to read this. Star ratings have been in the news. CMS has been making changes, and in particular, a lot of plans to pressure on their estimated ratings this year. At Clover, this is good. Yeah, so our Clover PPO plan is the top plan in the country. The PPO is the only PPO in the top 10. That's really good. The next top PPOs are often next 10 plans like ourselves aligned, devoted, etc. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. In summary, what stands out to me from the analysis was who rises to the top of the PPO results. We've spoken consistently about how we believe empowering physicians with data-driven insights is essential to improving care across a wide network of independent physicians. For that reason, I'm not surprised that plans who have taken a contrarian approach and invested heavily in technology still had to devote in line. I found themselves at the top of this list. See, exactly. And you never know, they might, he's giving, some good love to them. They might do the same to us. It's good. This is good. Very, very good. I think this is it, guys, right here. Yeah, this is the top 2. Yeah, so we're in the top 10. So this is great. Yeah, you see? They highlight the most important part, man. I love you guys. This is telling the dinosaurs. Yeah, this is so funny. The Contranian. Yep. You're right. Oh yeah, and then Vivek goes ahead and says the same thing, I think. Super exciting news that Clover's 4.94 HEDIS clinical quality score in the STARS measure for 2023 measure. You're ranked number 1 amongst all Medicare Advantage plans nationally on 4 HEDIS measures. Truly outstanding accomplishment by the Clover team. It's very exciting to see the power of Clover system for members physicians care at home for those members who can't get by. When started Clover 10 years. Yeah, so apparently it's ranked number 1, so that's really good. And you look at that, but yeah, holy moly. Let's see. A true testament to putting our members at the center of everything we do and strive for. Onwards and upwards on our mission to improve every life. Good. Let's see here. Good. In learning how technology can improve your outcomes, please reach out. So this is a good advertisement for Counterpart Assistant. So that's really good. Check the options change for the date and strike price and the premiums for ask and bid. Good. It's talking about more options. This individual relies on love for his portfolio. It's risky to follow those who make bold claims without fundamental analysis. Yeah, exactly. So we're all talking about fundamental analysis because this guy's comment on Stock Twits was funny regarding it's all PE and all this other stuff. So top plan in the country. Good. So yeah, I mean, this is really good, guys. And people are picking up at $3.99 now. Again, it's going to be the new 60 cents pretty much. That's what people are looking at it like. Let's see. I just don't want to go there. I know that it's a good company, but I just don't want to hurt anybody premium set by Clover Health Investments or copyright CLOV. Yeah, you see here? I just don't want to go there. I don't want to. This is Jim Cramer, remember? I know that it's a good company. He knows Clover's a good company, but he just doesn't want to hurt anybody because obviously Mad Money is not Mad Money is not for retail investors. It's to not hurt the big dinosaurs, the big money. We don't want to hurt them, right? Because we want to keep them profiting, right? I'm telling you guys, it is so sad that someone like me has to do this job. It is so sad. Okay, we're doing it and we're doing it well, and it's an honor to do it. But it's just I'm having a great time doing it, but it's sad that it has to come to this. It's sad that someone like me has to do this. It's embarrassing. It's not sad. What's the word I'm trying to find? It is embarrassing to all the politicians out there to not take this information and put it in the freaking school system. It's an embarrassment. I'm disgusted. You have no idea, right? They should be teaching everybody this information and how to. They don't even teach people how to freaking write checks and balance and accounting and all this other stuff you need. So anyhow, um, good. We talked about the CVS, strong work. Predicted the CVS partnership with Clove for their issue. Okay, good. Yeah, I can see it happen. Yeah. See. So I'm just kind of reading this real quick. So I guess Clover up 5,900. It's good. It's good. Just kind of reading this real quick. Yeah, good, good. We have the AI looking up here. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is, because it is a little late, it's 12 o'clock right now, midnight. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pause the live right now, and then tomorrow we'll go ahead and discuss the podcast. We'll talk about the podcast of Andrew tomorrow, because it's just unfortunate it takes time, right? I'm just like looking through all this chat, and I'm gonna read this when I'm on my bed slowly. I'm just trying to look at any news data that I missed. That's not. Uh, see. Uh, see here. Oh, there it is. My account was cruising Thursday. I took a screenshot around 460. Wonder how long till we see that again. Oh, I know. Multi-millionaire, B Rob. Multi-millionaire. Hell yeah, baby. Uh-huh. See what we have here. What was that again? 0.1 million. Let's go. Let's go. B Rob in the house. Let's see what's going on here. Oh yeah, this is nice. I posted it. I think it's very cool. Money, this is like hidden rules amongst your classes. If you're poor, you spend the money. If you're middle, you manage it. If you're wealthy, you invest it. I think the first three are real. I think this other stuff here, it's kind of annoying. I don't think it's right. I don't know. It could be, but who am I, right? Yeah, there's a lot of messages. Holy shit. There's intrinsic value calculations. People just talk about this. Don't forget the trend is your friend. This guy, just goes ahead and covers the property. He's like, oh, we don't need to see that. That's so funny. Oh my god. It's a mindset. We don't want to see that. We don't even want to see how they think, right? That's so funny, dude. Gave me a treasure map. That's so funny. Oh yeah, see this? We're just consolidating. Consolidating. Holy shit, guys. Yeah. So there it is. Hell yeah, hell yeah. We're kicking booty. YouTube. Mhm. Oh yeah, so I finished. And now I'm doing interviews. Um. Oh yeah, and then today's my last day for Kentucky, so I finished off Kentucky too. Is that Clover? How'd you do that? That's nice. Did you draw that? That looks nice. I didn't see this. You must have drawn that. Good. Okay. Yeah. So very good. Just very quickly. You know, yeah, the American dream is becoming tough. Again, there's a lot of folks that there's a lot of folks that emailed me about joining the lifetime access. The coupon code is Main Street, one word. Again, that's Main Street, one word. You get $600 off. You can use that Affirm for financing options for lifetime access. Take advantage. This will be ending soon. I don't know the exact date. I think it'll be by the end of October. So just take advantage. Again, this is almost like a big thank you to this crazy ass Jim Cramer run, but it really, I like this. Watch this. It'll make it look like really cool. A nice little, watch this. Let's see it again. Boom. I don't know. Little things kind of get me cool and happy, especially when I'm tired. But this is a good, like a gesture of thank you for all those people out there. You see what Jim Cramer is, and we're really trying to get you a fair shake on Wall Street. That's what we're trying to do here. Okay. So we're gonna, try to help out Main Street. So that's what's important. Let's go ahead and look at the comment section real quick here, and then we'll go ahead and close it off. Okay, guys. It's a bit late here on my end. You're making me yawn. I'm so sorry, guys. Again, I'm so sorry. Hey, I'm yawning again. God damn it. Sorry, I shouldn't use God's word in vain. Hey, I'm completely new into stocks. I had a buddy say to invest in Clove. Can someone explain if I made the right choice? You're making me young. Yeah, there's about 600 videos. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say, take it as a grain of salt. But definitely take a look at everything we have here. Okay, it's 600 videos, and just kind of, just from an educational perspective, right? Oh yeah, I think, yeah. Let's see here. Buy as much you can. Thank me 2 years. I dream that Clover becomes a disruptor. Oh yeah. I know you don't like to talk about politics, but if you watch the interview, the 1% will slip. Yeah, absolutely. Speaking about politics, yeah, that Kamala and Fox News debate really hurt her. I was like watching it, and I was like, oh my God, she was not answering the question at all. I think that debate really hurt her. If you look at the betting markets, again, I don't believe the polls. Like, screw the Fox News polls and screw the CNN polls. I like to look at the betting markets because people are betting over $1.3 billion. Okay, so obviously, people are not going to mess around with that. I mean, maybe there's going to be some people that mess around, but it's gonna be, I would say, closer to the truth. If not, it'll be very interesting to see this, and a lot of people are going to lose their money. A lot of people are betting that Trump is going to win, so this will be interesting to see. Patrick bet David as well. He's new money. New. Love you too, my friend. Too bad I'm too broke to buy more. Oh my. Just logged in after a long lawyer boozy brunch. Oh Lord, that sucks. 300 plus milli on the Billy. What's going on here? Oh my God, your yawning is contagious. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just yawning like crazy. When the heck they're going to do buy? So we're going to hear more about the buybacks when they talk about the whole thing on the next earnings. So there's a lot to look forward to, guys. There's an election. There's earnings. There's FOMCs. There's a lot of things that are going to be coming into it, guys. But, again, for all the folks that joined today, lots of people joined. Just, again, go ahead and integrate to the stock terminal. There is a halt right now. You got to wait 24 to 48 hours, in some cases 72 hours, as we transition you within the stock integration. For folks that have not been integrated today, we're going to go ahead and look at it manually tomorrow. We're going to put you all in. Not to worry, we're going to get you everybody in, okay? That's make sure folks that have purchased today, just make sure you go in and put the username, right? So we can go ahead and follow those things. Good. All right, guys. Well, hey, that's it. We're going to go ahead and do the podcast tomorrow so we can just kind of just focus on that, right? Instead of talking about all this other stuff, okay? God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.